If DaVinci Resolve is not opening on your Windows laptop even after following a lot of quick fixes, then this is going to be the last video you need. In this video, I'll show you tweak a few things so that DaVinci Resolve opens without any issues on your Windows laptop. So let's start. First, open the File Explorer, then select the Windows C drive or the drive where you installed the software during the installation process. I mean the DaVinci Resolve. Next, select Users, then your system name, and then App Data. Here, select the roaming folder and scroll down to select Blackmagic Design. Now, select DaVinci Resolve, then Support, and next Logs. These logs should be created if the software opens properly. In your case, maybe these are not showing. So, follow these steps carefully, which I'm showing now. First, uninstall DaVinci Resolve from your system completely. Make sure to uninstall all the related software as well. Next, make sure to delete the folders in this path. Do the same thing inside the users folder as well. Now download the software from the official site. After downloading the software, don't install it yet. Here are the most crucial steps that you need to follow. Open your browser and go to this website. I have added the link in the description too. This driver utility helps to uninstall drivers on your system. Simply what we are doing here is reinstalling the updated versions of the drivers that help run the software properly. After downloading it, this is the file you will get. Extract it and run the application. This is the interface you will see. Here, select the device type as GPU. Now select the device. This issue is mainly caused because of the Intel chipset, so select Intel here. Then simply click on Clean and Restart. Once you start this process, you may notice your system behaving differently for some time, like brightness changes, temporary glitches, maximum brightness levels, rebooting, and similar things. That is completely normal. Once the process is completed, open the browser and download this software. It automatically scans your system and shows which drivers are missing and whether any updates are available for the existing drivers. Keep installing everything until it shows that everything is up to date. This is the main reason why DaVinci Resolve is not opening on your Windows system. Now install the DaVinci Resolve, but don't open it yet. Next, open Settings on your system, then choose the Display option. Scroll down and select Graphics. Here, it shows you DaVinci Resolve. In case it's not showing, click on Add Desktop App and choose it from the folder where you installed it. Now, the option you need to change is GPU preference. Set it to high performance graphic card available on your system. Now open DaVinci Resolve. This time it should open without any errors. And even you can observe the log files that I showed during the start of this video even on your system. That's it guys. This is the final fix for the DaVinci Resolve not opening on your Windows laptop. Make sure to like and share this video with other people as well so that you can help them fix the DaVinci Resolve not opening issue. Thank you so much for doing it. You can also appreciate me via super thanks if you think this video was worth your time and helped you find the solution. Thank you again for doing and helping. See you again in the next video.